In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shopify store can't accept payments right now error. Let's start from inside your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and find the settings option. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new page with a menu on the left-hand side. From the right left panel, look for the payments section and click on it. This is where all of your payment providers and settings are managed. On the payments page, find your main payment method, such as Shopify Payments, Stripe, PayPal, or any other provider you're using, and click on it. Here, you want to carefully look for any warnings or banners. Common messages include action required, account under review, verification needed, or something like provider disconnected. If you see any of these alerts, click directly on the banner or link that appears. Shopify will guide you through whatever steps are needed, such as submitting documents, confirming your details, or reconnecting your account. It's important that your payment provider is not just listed here, but fully activated and ready to accept real payments. Next, we want to make sure your store isn't stuck in testing mode. Go back to the main payments settings page and look at the section that lists your payment methods. Check the top area to see if you have something called a testing or bogus gateway enabled. This is a tool used only for test transactions. If you see the bogus gateway there, click the Manage button on the top right of that section. Inside the bogus gateway settings, scroll down to the bottom right corner and click Deactivate. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to deactivate it. Click Deactivate again in the bottom right of that pop-up. Once this is turned off, your real payment provider can take over for live orders. Finally, let's confirm your billing is in good standing. Back in Settings, look at the left panel again and find Billing. Then click it. Here, you'll see a list of your past and current bills. Carefully check for anything like an unpaid subscription invoice, an expired trial that was never upgraded, or any billing that failed due to payment method issues. If there is an outstanding bill or failed payment, resolve it by updating your payment method or paying the invoice, so Shopify doesn't restrict your store from accepting payments.